Hello everybody, welcome to ERASMUS, and I would like to invite you all to an excursion around our school. If you may, please stand up and follow me.
Kameraya bak.
Alright, so please follow me through the first floor. Okay, so this is the first floor. Of course, here's the bathroom if you need a break. This is the math class, and along the wall there's a lot of water. It's all white. Everything's done by students. There's the names written on there, how old they are. So yeah, this is our and this is our school. Math English class.
Do you like it?
Okay, so this is the English class, and all around the English class there's a lot of...
Oh, where's Muhammad?
Muhammad?
Where's
Muhammad?
Where's Muhammad?
Muhammad! Wait a minute.
Muhammad.
Did you hear that?
What?
Where's he?
Muhammad?